Everybody, a very good morning. It's a great start. It's a Monday, it's 11 o'clock. It's kind of warm, but yes, it's any day better than the crazy gloom, the dull days, and the winters and stuff where you couldn't even step out. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor, interior solutions, and this is a share regarding nature and climate and maintaining it and stuff. And also, we've had this latest news about some change in the law and the rights of animals. There goes one astray, and cows and stuff like that. So, what happens is you go into a park, you go into a neighborhood, community area or something, and you will see most people sharing more about safeguarding, parks and spaces for themselves and not for the animals. So we forget to mention them. So yesterday I shared that climate is going to be a big concern and stuff because after attending a lot of interactive sessions and hearing what some of the leaders in our country had to say in regards to health of children and women and stuff like that, and also interacting with international people from countries like Europe and the US and smaller places, we know it's a concern. So the concern is genuine, but consistently harping about it and talking negative about it is not going to help us. We're not going to feel good. The mindset will not remain enthused and stuff. We may not even want to go out of the house or do any work and stuff. And yes, there are certain days it's going to be warm, so what makes sense is to take precautions. Take a look. You got the guard sitting outside. You got people, driving around and stuff. And you go to a golf club. You got golfers playing, even maybe double the age or something. And you have the whole of the janta doing their work and stuff. So the idea is leave your homes a little earlier, get into the offices, and spend time there. And if you have a concern around pets, strays for sure. So when they come to a lawn or they come to a park, people normally say, "अरे यार हमारी पूरी की पूरी ये फेंस तोड़ दी." जैसे ये अभी ये घर है एक, so यहाँ पे these dogs come and इसके अराउंड ये रब और अपने आप को रब करते हैं और अपनी एनर्जी लूज आउट करते हैं. सो द नॉर्मल कंसर्न ऑफ पीपल अराउंड हु आर सिटिंग ऑन द अदर साइड इज़ हमारी पूरी जो है फेंस तोड़ दी या हमारा जो भी है दिस they have this here, the growth here, they're breaking this down and stuff like that. But they don't realize is that animals, like humans, when you're shaking off your energy in a gym or on a sports round, are very similar. Strays are very similar. So what they do is when they come into a park, some of them will actually start stretching, and some of them will actually start rubbing themselves against this growth here, and the reason they do it is that they want to let out the energy. And some of them also have a little bit of itch. So जैसे आप अपनी पीठ को कराएंगे या अपने सर पे तेल मालिश कराएंगे या आपको इचिंग होगी कुछ होगी, तो वैसे ही डॉग्स को भी चाहिए. So this is what they do. So the point is, before you kind of start throwing stones at them and start lifting your sticks to drive them away or abuse them and stuff, try and understand the reason ये हो रहा क्यों है. Okay. So it's a Monday and there's some beautiful greenery around here, and I can hear some parrots and I can see some squirrels and stuff like that. So when you step out, what is your focus on? Is your focus on the number of buses, the number of cars, the number of rickshaws on the road and stuff? So yesterday I was at Satajang. I could see there was a lot of number of cars around me. The hospital infrastructure was absolutely different. There are certain stretches and areas where there was a lot of muck and dirt and stuff. So waste is also becoming a concern and stuff. But I had an option that I could either look at that or I could look at the other side. Beautiful building, beautiful roads and easy movement and lots of flora, bougainvillea, installations, statues and stuff like that. And traffic was moving really fast. And the park that we went into where we played in the Delhi Ram Circle was also equally nice and stuff. It helped us cooling off and all. So we have to start taking care of nature. And the concern is that yes, climate concern and animal safety has become a concern ever since the new honorable CM of Delhi stepped in. So I would like people to keep their momentum and their concerns going strong. We have to be in this together. We have to raise the voice. We have to share it wherever we are. And I also shared this that for Korea and India, it's a cause of concern. And the starters from Korea are also wanting to relocate to India because they think waste management is a big concern. And I see that being voiced and stuff. So please support people who are doing this. We can start this on our own. There was a fantastic idea which was shared by one of the MLAs there. So then I walk into my neighborhood, I walk around, I see, you've got bins which may even have a lid, but the lids are open half the time. You can see the mosquitoes, you can see the flies, and they are not strategically placed, not all of them. So a few of them are kind of placed right next to the shopping complexes or the malls and stuff. The moment you're coming in, you're getting out of your car, you can smell the muck and you can see the garbage. You take your dog for a walk, you can see the street dogs, sniffing and everything. And on the other end, people are feeding them in communities and stuff. So that's a concern. And for that pressing concern, there was a fantastic idea which was shared. So this is how participating in forums and also local meetings helps you in the neighborhood, where you're not just expecting but also proposing. So the idea was to have bins which are dug into the ground and covered with a stainless steel or a lid, and people will come in and pick up the stuff and take it away. Okay, so that's an amazing learning I had of some innovative bins and stuff. So if you can include that, and you can start writing about it, you can start sharing about it, you can start installing those, or you can take it as a project and implement it in your own areas. That would be of a great help and stuff, because you would like your family members or yourself also to step in. If you're wearing a chappal or shoes, and step into kachra. तो बातें कम और एक्शन ज़्यादा इज़ अ गुड आइडिया. और जब तक हम आइडिया शेयर नहीं करेंगे तब तक लोगों को पता नहीं चलेगा. और अगर हम ये सोचें कि मेरे आइडिया शेयर करने से मेरा आइडिया स्टील हो जाएगा और मुझे करना चाहिए, कोई और नहीं कर रहा, तो ये अप्रोच इज़ अ रॉन्ग अप्रोच. बिकॉज अगर आप रियली इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहते हैं, सो शेयर द आइडिया. एंड you never know, you may have people wanting to work along with you on that. And if you want improvement, it should be not thinking about इसमें मुझे क्या मिलेगा, इसमें मेरा क्या बेनिफिट है. बेनिफिट तो ये होगा आपका कि अगर आपने आइडिया दिया, इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ, तो सफाई और क्लीनलीनेस और ब्यूटिफिकेशन तो आपके एरिया की भी होगी नहीं. So what I'm saying is that thinking this, that what am I going to get out of it? Do I even profit from it? Do I even benefit from it? If you keep that notion and you hold back the idea and not share it, you're not going to benefit from it. But at the same time, if you share an idea, you may find someone who teams up with you, or you can do it as a community thing, and a lot of improvement can happen. You can teach your children, you can get your senior citizens, you can involve, the working, the servants and stuff, the laborers and everything, and you can implement it on your own. And once you've done that, there is an improvisation for you as well. So when you step out, you're not stepping into the muck, you're not smelling it, and your dogs and your animals and cats are also enjoying it. And your world, starting from where you are and around you, starts getting better. So tell me how you like the idea. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justhinkapani.im@gmail.com, and justhinkapanioffice@gmail.com. I think I got to go there because I got a set of strays here, and they seem to be running around. So the action is started again. So have a great day. Hakuna Matata. And rather than focusing so much on mental health issues and pressure and stress and depression and anxiety and stuff, step out and soak up the sun. And what you feel is what feels outward. And if that's become a story or a mission of your life, I don't think after a certain point it makes sense and stuff. Because life is about improving, life is about changing, and life is about evolving and growing. So for new opportunities and for new stuff to happen, and to kind of enjoy the new, you have to change your thinking and stuff, and stop talking so much about all of that repetitively. You some people think they're doing a great task by consistently sharing their own stories and stuff like that, but after a point of time it doesn't inspire anybody, because not the whole world doesn't want to know about mental health and all that. People are concerned about bigger stuff and all, and making it the only agenda of your campaigns and pure PR works and stuff makes no sense. Because you can get the vote and sympathy through your stories and stuff for a brief while and stuff, but the world wants substance work, the world wants bigger work, the world wants some amazing stuff happening, innovation and intelligent work. And global concerns to be addressed and stuff like that, not just the to chew mental health. No offense meant to mental health experts. Some of them are really doing a good job, but personally speaking, it's a journey that I've had on my own, and I'm sharing this through my experiences and stuff. That you're told you need to have medicines, I need to do this and that and all that. You just need to alter your thinking and stuff. So I got to go now. I've got some stuff to do and to enjoy the day. So have fun and enjoy yourself, and kick it, rock it, and try and be the drum circle the next time, because we may be teaming up on a local level for having a drum circle in different locations towards South the Jung and stuff. So if you want to have fun, you want to let yourself loose, de-stress, enjoy, rejuvenate, get a little more creative and meet new people, which is always fun, creating music and dancing and everything, join us. Yeah, so you can follow us on social media. We've got a handle on Delhi Drum Circle there on Facebook. Love and luck. Take care. Bye bye. Yep. No, I'm not jumping. I'm just kind of wanting to walk a little more stronger, because I'm working on my back and stuff. So rather than mental health, also work on your mental strength and your overall fitness, because health है तो wealth है, और wealth है तो आपको obviously health को तो look after करना ही चाहिए, तभी आप और wealth बना सकते हैं. Yeah, take care, love and luck, bye bye.